Hello everyone and welcome. This video will be doing a food review for Fast Bites sausage and cheese biscuit, pork sausage patty and cheese product on a biscuit. And then here's the nutrition facts. It has a lot of sodium. And it was microwavable, which I already did. Let's see if I can take. And here goes the first bite. By the way, I did another video of Fast Bites of a spicy chicken. I concluded in that one, the patty was somewhat okay, but the bread was terrible, and it wasn't really that spicy. But I ended up saying if I had tried two of them on one, it might be better with my own bread. But this one I also got from the Dollar Tree also, and from the first bite it was pretty good. Here goes the second bite. This one's actually not too bad for $1. The patty, the biscuit is actually not terrible, and then the patty itself is great. I'm surprised, as much as the other one was not really that great, this one's actually better. But the only bad part, like I said, bad part about it is a lot of sodium. Hopefully you can see it, but it's 1,170 milligrams of sodium, which is not good. But it does taste good. So I gotta say, I'm surprised. For a buck, I mean, like I said, after tasting the other one, the bread wasn't so good, to coming to this one doing the biscuit's actually pretty good. I mean, I'm delightfully surprised, and I might get it again, but the sodium was a killer. But I mean, for every once in a while, I guess it's all right. But anyway, I gotta give it a thumbs up. Cause like I said, I'm surprised. The biscuits, everything, the biscuit, the sausage, the cheese, everything tastes delicious on it. But hopefully everyone is staying safe at home and not getting too bored. But thanks. I want to thank everybody for watching. Until next time, everyone, take care. Bye.